Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to spray. It's been probably about 20 minutes or so. I'm going to try to spray this air coat with an aircraft remover. Try to get I'm stripping the clear coat off of the wheels. I'm going to see if it has done what it's supposed to do. So here we go. As you can see, it's pretty good, actually. Most of that clear coat is coming off. Some of it still sticking on there, but I have a feeling another coat that should come right off.